Hello, this is Danielle for Module 4 Lab Assistive Tools for Writing Review. I have a MacBook here and I will be using my built-in speech-to-text. To use this application on Mac, make sure you have enabled the built-in speech-to-text feature. It should be located at the System Preference. And then click on the FN or function key twice so the mic will appear. And the FN key is located at the bottom far left in the keyboard. And when you speak, the text will start appearing on your screen. So I will then demonstrate how to do the built-in speech-to-text with the MacBook, and I will share to you my current favorite vacation spot by doing so. I will now use the document and click on the FN key twice so the mic will appear. My current favorite vacation spot is in the Philippines, the country I was born and raised in. Period. I recently visited the Philippines early this year, and I went to a beach country club in Cavite, province, on the island of Luzon, which is called the Mount Pico del Oro. I love how the resort was very exclusive and the beach was relaxing and perfect hangouts while sunbathing. Period. I got to ride on a boat with my family, and we went for an island hopping and went off the boat to swim. And the water was very blue and beautiful. Period. So that is it. I just had to click done so that whatever I'm saying right now will not be part of the text. But as you can see, there's also downside of using it, but it was very helpful for the most part of just saying what's on my mind, and it was able to capture most words and phrases that I asked it to put in text. So yeah, that is all. Thank you.